Hey guys, Get Level here, and today we're gonna be reviewing this microphone. So this is the MAONO podcasting microphone kit, and the company was kind enough to actually send this mic to me so I could review it. And I have to say, I am completely mind blown by this microphone. Okay, so it's like professional, like we should probably get to the review first. But I'm kind of excited to show you how awesome this product actually is. And it really shows that companies are coming up with USB microphones that are really top quality for reasonable prices. They were kind enough to even give me a promo code for you guys, so you guys can get 10% off the product. More on that later. So before we start, I am not being paid to say anything positive about this mic. So all opinions featured in this video are purely my real opinions. The whole audio of this video is going to be recorded using the microphone in question, so you can really hear what it sounds like, and there will be no filters added at all. I might just bump up the volume in post probably, but that's it. So no compressor, no equalizer, no noise suppressor. The mic actually sounds like that when you just plug it into your computer. So let's start with the review. Okay, so we're gonna start with an unboxing of this microphone. So I'm really pleased with the complete pack that comes with this microphone. The fact that you have a microphone stand, a boom arm if you will, a table clamp, you have a windscreen cap, you will have the USB cable, the shock mount, and also the pop filter. So if you're not a huge fan of pop filters, you can still use the windscreen cap. The build quality of those accessories is very impressive. When it comes to the table clamp or the microphone stand, everything is metal, everything is solid. You have little rubber pads so you don't damage your table or anything. The pop filter is very sturdy and flexible. Even the shock mount frame is high quality and made out of metal. Something that I like a lot about this microphone is the fact that the USB cable is removable. But something that kind of shocked me and impressed me was the quality of the port, of the USB port of the microphone. It feels just as solid as an XLR microphone. You know that this is never coming loose, pretty much. The mic itself has a slim profile, but it's heavy, feels sturdy. There's really nothing in this pack that feels cheap at all. So in order to use it, we will try to do things in order. You're going to use the table clamp to clamp it to your table. That little rod mechanism is really useful because it gives you a lot of leverage. So it's fairly easy to clamp it down to any surface really. Plus you have a large clearance, as you can see. Then you want to unscrew this part so you can slide in the microphone stand. And then you can secure it. Once the microphone stand is in place, you will screw in the shock mount. And then in the shock mount, there's actually two little levers to press in order to slide the microphone in. But I just slid the microphone in and it's a very tight fit. Now it's time to plug in the USB cable to the mic. Then you can decide between the windscreen cap or the pop filter. Mounting the pop filter is fairly easy. You just slide it in near an extremity and then screw it in place. Then with the flexible arm, you can put it in front of the mic. Here in the example, I put the pop filter behind, but please note that the logo on the microphone indicates the front of the microphone. Now your mic is ready to be used. Now I usually don't talk about specs too much in my reviews, but this mic has specs that are worth noting. So the pickup pattern of this microphone is Cardioid. The frequency response is 30 Hz to 16,000 Hz. It has a sampling rate of 192 kHz at 24-bit, which makes it probably the highest quality mic I've ever tested on this channel. Now let's talk about what we can actually hear. You will hear that this mic has pretty good high frequencies. Not a lot of mic can get those frequencies. I think it peaks around the 10 kilohertz just to get you that extra clear sound. But when you get close to the mic, you can actually feel the bass. And I really love that about this microphone. It really makes it perfect for activities like live streaming, podcasting, recording voiceover without needing anything else. Something else that you can probably notice is how little noise this mic has, almost as if it had a noise gate. I currently have a quite loud computer fan going on right now next to me, just right next to the mic, but you cannot hear it. So this mic handles noise really, really well. As I said before, the logo indicates the front of the mic where you're supposed to be speaking into, but I tried speaking at the back of the mic and it also sounded pretty good. Just advise you to speak in the front because that's what it's meant for. The mic is plug and play. That means that you don't need any external drivers, download anything. Just plug it and it will start working. I do advise plugging it into a USB 2 port. I tried plugging it in a weird setup with a bunch of extension USB and it didn't work. So I recommend you using a USB 2 port or higher. I really enjoyed the matte black finish, looks very professional and reflects the light in a very soft way. So if you're using it in front of a camera, it will not be distracting to the viewer. I do have to admit that this mic sounds way better than my XLR microphone. It picks up the higher frequencies way better and also generates almost no noise at all. So I'm really considering switching to this as my main microphone, but we'll see. So in conclusion, I would say that the plus sides of this microphone is the quality, the sound quality, the accessories quality. Honestly, I usually recommend an accessory pack for something like 12 euros, but this with the MAONO actually feels like $100 accessory pack. It feels like a very expensive pack, but it's not. And now we can talk about the price. This mic is currently listed at $69 on their website, but they have a promo going on, so it's at $63.99. Now on top of that, if you use my promo code, which will appear on screen and will be in the description, you will get 10% off, which so far, at the date of recording this video, makes it the best price to quality ratio mic I've ever seen. I've honestly been so lucky to review such amazing products, and this is another proof of there are some amazing products out there, some new companies coming up with new ways to innovate and build better quality products for reasonable prices. Now I know that my subscriber base is mostly live streamers, and honestly, well, you can, if you're using a headset right now, you can hear for yourself how well you can sound for less than $100. And also have all the accessories so that if you want to choose a different mic in the future, that's fine. You already have your boom arm, your table clamp, your shock mount, your pop filter, and even your windscreen. The only negative thing that I could notice is maybe it's not compatible with anything less than USB 2, because I did try to plug it into my weird extension USB port and it didn't work. But that might be just with my system. Either way, it's recommended to use it with a USB 2 port. And that's it. That's all I have to say. Another impressive, less than $100 microphone kit this time. Make sure you check out the description and all the links. I will link everything so you can check out the mic for yourself. Make sure you check out the rest of my content on my channel. I usually make videos to help live streamers and content creators in general. And that's pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching my video. I will see you guys next time. Go out there, make me proud, get level, out.